this is how you cloak your magic link. It's important to do so you can email without getting banned or cloaked, you getting banned. So go to any link shortener you have. If you know me, you can go to Elm Link, go to dashboard, go to, let's see if I can grab a pen, go to create link and plus that, and then you want to go to shorten link. See if I can show you where that is, over here, and you paste your magic link. So your magic link will be olsp.com/m with your mega link ID. This will not be your number, it won't be the same, it'll be whatever your mega link ID number is. Here you can just leave it empty, or you can put magic link or something, whatever here. So I'm just going to press shorten link. It's created, and this, let's see if I can get it up again. So this will be your magic link, your link that you will use to cloak whatever this is. So all you need to do is go to this little copy button. Let's see if I can do this again. Copy, press this one, and that will be your link. And all you need to do is copy this link and paste it in every single email. So this is the link that you will use, and then you can track how many clicks. It's as simple as that. Goodbye.